Hello children, I welcome you all to the English class. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your English class. Today, the day is Thursday and it is 15th of October 2020. So the thought for the day today says that your real development comes through the knowledge you gain. So to get more knowledge, so try to get more knowledge every day. So if you want to develop yourself, your real development comes through the knowledge you gain. Okay, so in order to develop yourself, you need to gain more knowledge, not only from the books but from everywhere. So you know that we are doing worksheet 3 from theme to workbook. So we have completed first part of the video. So in the second part we will be looking about different adverbs, different types of adverbs. First we will do the adverbs of manner. So adverbs of manner shows how or in what manner an action is being done. Okay, so adverb of manner shows that in what way the action has been performed. For example, the crow foolishly opened its beak to sing. So the crow foolishly, why did the crow open his beak to sing? The crow, and how did he open his beak? The crow foolishly, he was foolish to open his beak. So foolishly here is the adverb of manner. I shut the door gently. How you shut the door? I shut the door gently. Serena played well. So all this foolishly, gently, well, these all are the adverbs of manner. Now here it is from your book, page number 28. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs of manner. First one, the foreigner spoke slowly so that I could understand him. The foreigner spoke dash. So foreigner spoke slowly. Slow. The adverb of manner for slow is slowly. Bravo! You did dash in the examination. So good is given. So the adverb of manner for good will be good only. 3. The room was locked fast. So there won't be fastly, you will write fast only because the fast is the adverb of manner. It was raining so dash that we could not go out heavily. Okay. He slept dash through the night and woke refreshed. Sound. So for sound, adverb of manner will be soundly. 6. They tied the prisoner dash to the tree. So tight is given, so you will write tightly. Number 7. Dash the waves slapped the shore. Gentle is given, so the adverb of manner for gentle is gently. The queen was dressed elegantly. The thief stealthily entered the house. The driver drove so rashly that I feared an accident any moment. So for elegant, adverb of manner will be elegantly, stealthily, rashly. Okay, so hope you understand. You have to copy this thing in your workbook. Next we are going to learn something about adverb of time. Now you can guess what adverb of time denotes. Adverb of time tells us when an action has been done. When an action has been done. For example, we did not go to school yesterday. Yesterday is the adverb of time. Leave early to be on time. Early. Early here is the adverbs of time. Okay, so adverb of time tells us when an action is done. When you are performing the action, when you are doing the work. Yesterday, today, early, now. Yes, these all are adverb of time. Now next is adverbs of place. Adverb of place tells us where an action is done. Where, right? For example, Outside the sun shone gloriously. Outside, where? Outside. So here the action is performed outside. The lamb followed Mary everywhere. Everywhere is also adverb of place. So adverb of place tells us where an action is done. Next is adverb of frequency. Tell us how often an action is done. How often, how frequently. It is adverb of frequency. How often means how many times the action has been performed. This is told by adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tell us how often an action is done. For example, you have never been late. You have never. Never is action of frequency. Sorry, adverb of frequency. Never means never, right? The lioness come often to this part of the jungle. The lioness come often. Often is an example of adverb of frequency. So hope till here you all are clear. So till now we learned about 4 types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverb of time, adverbs of place and adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of manner show how or in what manner an action is done. Adverbs of time shows when an action is done. Adverbs of place, where an action is done, and adverbs of frequency, how often an action is being done. Now let us see some exercises. So it's in your book, page number 29. State whether the underlined words are adverbs of time, place or frequency. You can see the word in your book, it's underlined, right? Some words are underlined. You have to identify those words if it is adverb of time, place or frequency. You don't have to go to adverb of manner, it's not mentioned here. So you have to go, you have to find if it is adverb of time, place or frequency. Number 1, children, hurry up or you will be late to school. So late, it is adverb of time. Very good. Late is adverb of time. Place the chair there near the window. There, it is telling there. So it is adverb of place. Number 3, always read the passage carefully before answering the questions. Always. It is denoting how many times the action is performed. So it is adverb of frequency. Our teacher is seldom late. Our teacher is seldom late. That is adverb of frequency. It is also denoting how many times, right? How often. Number 5, nowadays. Nowadays is adverb of time. If it is not in, like if you don't have space in your book, you don't need to write adverb of. You can write like in some places I have write time, time, that means it is adverb of time. Okay, there is violence everywhere. Everywhere is adverb of place. Number 6, the nurse will come now. Now is adverb of time. So hope you understood till here. Yes. Now next exercise is C4 from your book. Fill in the blanks with adverbs as given in the brackets. Here also you need to fill the blanks with adverbs. Number 1, the sky dash was a blue velvet. Here in the bracket, adverb of place is given. So in the dash you have to fill with the adverb of place. So what I wrote outside. The sky outside was a blue velvet. My mother dash gives me a lot of support. Frequency. Frequency here means adverb of frequency. So my mother always gives me a lot of support. Number 3, we are sure to have maths test dash. Here you have to fill with adverb of time. So what you will write? We are sure to have math test. Tomorrow you can write. Today also you can write. Okay. There was dash else left to go. Place. Here you have to fill in the blank with place. Adverb of place. So I wrote nowhere. There was nowhere else left to go. Number 5. The workers will be Here task. Now this you have to fill with adverb of time. So what you will write? You can write now. The workers will be here now. You can write now also here. You can write today also. The workers will be here today. Just you have to fill the blank with adverb of time. Number 6. The interest will taken often dash in dash adverb of frequency you have to fill. So I have written often. Number 7. The final responsibility stops dash. So here you have to fill with adverb of place. So I wrote the final responsibility stops here. You can write there also. Okay, the final responsibility stops there. Whatever you want you can write, but it should be adverb of place and it should be appropriate one. Okay, hope till here you all are clear, children, right? So in today's class we learned different types of adverbs. Grammar is a thing that you don't need to learn. Grammar is a thing you need to practice. You need to understand first and you need to practice so that you don't have to learn grammar. Okay, so practice grammar more, okay, in order to be perfect in English. Okay, so children, I am keeping it till here. This completes your worksheet 3 from theme 2. Please copy everything with pencil in your workbook, that is in page number 28 and 29, and try to understand the video properly. Okay. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, children.